This is Abhishek code registration number UR15CA058. Today I need to do a program in C++. My question is: a stack is a data storage device which uses a LIFO approach, that is, like a last item stored in the first one retrieved. Create a class named stack to store array of integers value, float value. Beside a constructor, it should have two functions. One called push to put a data into the stack, another called pop to get data from out the stack. Add exception to the stack throw two exception of one of the capacity of the stack is exceeded. The other is the program tries to remove an item from an empty stack. Write a program to exercise the same. I'm gonna show the coding. Starting the program with the hash include header files, and then using namespace std, then template class u, then class stack, then private. In private I am describing int in top and u a of size 10, then public class full class empty, then stack top initializing as -1, then push data, that is if top is less than 10 minus 1, that is then pre-increment operator plus plus top is equals to data, else throw full. Then void pop means the element will be popped out of the stack. If top is less than equals to -1, throw empty, else element popped out. Void display int I is equals to top, I is greater than equals to 0, I and I minus minus that, and it gonna display. Then creating a main function stack int n, and then stack float f1, then int ch in ch2, that is for integer stack and float stack. If your choice is 1, then it will go for the integer stack, in which three options will be there, that is push, pop and display. In which if you gonna choose if you have chosen choice 1, then it will go for the integer stack, in which case 1 it will ask the element to be pushed inside the stack and gonna print it. In case 2 it will pop up the element, and in case 3 it gonna display the element, and after every case break statement will be there. In case 4 it gonna return 0 break. Then default, if the user didn't enter any one of the choice, it will dissolve. Default invalid input will be printed. Then break. Else if you have chosen choice 2, that is for float stack, and starting a for loop for anti I is equals to 1, I greater than 0, I plus plus, then I'm gonna ask push, pop or display. Then it will go to the case 1, that is pushing value inside the stack, gonna print it and break statement. Then case 2 will be pop the value from the stack, case 3 gonna display break, case 4 return the value 0. Then we have a condition as cat stack int scope resolution empty. It's like whether if the stack is empty and still we are trying to pop out something, it is gonna display a message that exception occurred in pop, you are trying to pop empty stack. This is for the integer stack, this command. Then cat stack int scope resolution full, that is if the stack is full, then it will print stack overflow exceptions. That these both are for integer, and this is for float. Cat stack float scope resolution empty, that means the stack is already uh, empty, but you are still trying to pull out something. So exception occurred in pop, you are trying to pop empty stack. And stack float scope resolution full, stack of overflow exception. Now I'm gonna show you the program. Integer stack, float stack. Starting with the integer stack, push, I'm gonna push, enter data 8, again gonna push, enter data 5, again gonna push, enter data 2. Now I'm gonna display the stack I have displays 8258, means last element is entered as 2. Now I'm gonna pop something, pop for 2, and element popped out is 2, means it works on the last in first out, means the last element, that is 2 I entered, has been popped out. Now I'm gonna display 3, 5 and 8. As you can see, 5 and 8 has been displayed because the last element has been popped out. Thank you for watching the video. I'm gonna exit.